some domain and range again, and then we're going to do some function stuff. So here we've got the domain of the function y equals 2x plus 1 is 0, 1, 2, 4, and 7. Okay, so we're going to make a table with these. So we're literally plugging these in. We're going 2 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Okay, so now my range is 1, 3, 5, 9, and 15. So again, it's just plugging in numbers. Okay, so we've got the domain of the function for y equals x minus 2.5 is 0, 2, 5, 7, and 9. We're going to make a table and then identify the range. So again, our table should be pretty easy because it gives us the domain. So we're going to plug in 0, 2, 5, 7, and 9 to this function. So 0 minus 2.5 is just negative 2.5. 2 minus 2.5 is negative 0.5. 5 minus 2.5 is 2.5. 7 minus 2.5 is 4.5. And 9 minus 2.5 is 6.5. Okay, and then we can just list those as our range, those y values, negative 2.5, negative 0.5, 2.5, 4.5, and 6.5. That's it. All right, we're going to find the slope and calculate the y-intercept, then write the equation or the rule for this function. Okay, so if we look, we can just pick 2 points, 4 minus 3 over 1 minus 0, right? This is like y2, x2, y1, x1. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, so my slope is 1. So we can put it in point slope form. Y minus 3 equals 1 times x minus 0. Y minus 3 equals x. Y equals x plus 3. And that's my answer. Straightforward. We've done this for the last chapter, just using point slope form. Find the slope, point slope form. Done. Okay, we're going to do the same thing that we've done with other ones here. We're going to plug in negative 3, 2, 4, and 7 to this equation to find the y values that determines the range. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 7 plus 5 is 12. Just right there. Next, it wants me to write the rule again here. So again, I'm going to just use the slope to find this. I'm going to say 9 minus 7 over 2 minus 0. 7, 8, 9. So we get 2 over 2, so that gives me 1. Then we're going to plug it into point slope form. Y minus 7 equals 1 times x minus 0. That gives me y minus 7 equals x. Y equals x plus 7. So that's my rule. So it's just some quick plugging it in pieces here. Okay. Let's look here. This is just function notation right here at the top. So we've done something very similar like this, but we're just going to plug this in. When it says f of x is 0, it just wants you to plug 0 in for x. So we just have 3 times 0 minus 10 gives us a negative 10 as my answer. This would be 3 times 1 minus 10. I'm just plugging this in for x. So 3 minus 10 is negative 7. So this would be 3 times negative 2, again plugging it in for that x, minus 10. We get negative 6 minus 10, which gives us negative 16. And then finally, we're going to go 3 times 3 minus 10. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 10 gives us a negative 1. So just plugging those things in. All that function notation just means plugging it in there. We're going to do one more just like that. Right here, it asks us to plug in negative 3. So we're just going to go 4 times negative 3 minus 9. It's f of negative 3 equals this. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, minus 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We get negative 21. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, okay. We're going to draw a graph here. So same thing, I know it says function notation, f of x is the same thing as y. So we would just put a dot at negative 6, and then we're going up 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1, up 1, 2, 3 over 1, right there. That is our graph of our linear function. Okay, so that is it.